heading to our farm. Guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Where are we heading?
To our farm.
To our goats.
We're gonna check our goats, guys. We have how many goats we have?
5.
We have 7 and also 7, so 14.
I thought we have 6.
At first 6, but the baby was born, so came 7. And the second batch of goats also 7.
At least.
No guys. Hello uncle. Di basta-basta. Gwapo kay sakyanan. Suga na mudagan oy. Kusugan itong gamay, samot na ni. Unsa na ning lugar diri kol? Ilang Sir Ings dia no?
Oh, dali.
Sir Ings dia.
Mao yang boundary sa Davao.
Ah, mau di ay. Wala pa na siminto diha.
So kan wa ni simento arakan.
So, manok o karne lang ang ginagawa.
Hi te.
Okay ra, kagawas. Pero dito na po mo magbara sa kuan diya sa magsaysay. Kaya kuan na.
Quarantine.
Balik na.
Ang motor source dito. Sugay ba?
Yan.
Gikan asan gikan tubiga.
Gravel na. Gravel road. Makakira na siya kung ulan na. Ulan na muna
Pero
dyan.
wala man nagulan last
Karang
time.
ulan pa.
Or the other day.
Ulan eh. Basa mga yuta.
Kasi moist na.
Ulan.
Ano ka?
Look here guys. We're almost there. Mo mas yung pinakagrabe mahal no?
Atong wala pa natiwas o ano, bulldoze.
Careful guys. Oh, there's a house there. Look.
Done. The alarm is done. The 1 hour? Yeah. Are we almost there?
Yeah, we're almost here. Is it already 1 hour?
Yeah, it's already 1 hour.
From the place we bought bread?
So the timer is too late. Timer is too late.
Too late yeah.
Early.
We transferred car guys kasi lapo kayo, malubong ang car. Hindi mo kaya. Diri lang ko sa likod. Bayan akong kid.
Ayo.
Asa dito ana?
Gipasulod rin
Okay, basit pag bulldoze, maapil mo bulldoze.
There.
Parang kay Chuna, oh. Na raw, oh.
This is our house.
Nayang Casillas.
Look at
Ito Casillas, Chuna.
Look at our house.
Elias
Sulod na.
There at the back.
See? Hindi mo ang Casillas. Oh, nanihagdanan, Chun.
Ano, makasaka na yung daytaan ni?
Hindi, kung kilay palit kayo mo ng camera, kayo magpalit ko ka. Asan yung palitan na?
Saan na lang te? Sa... Hey go, just walk normal.
Sugat man ko dito bang?
I'm gonna hold you.
Come on. Go. Just walk normal. Go.
Ikuan among yan yan takilid.
Okay na ka, Pasaka ni? Ayop ni?
Hello po.
It's not, it's you.
Mo, ginanggaling, gilis bukit. Pahadlok ka.
Okay, just go.
Ow.
It's okay.
Ah, grabe ito experience mo din sa una, no?
Di ko nila malimtan kay sige ka slide.
Sige, slide.
We're done with our lunch, guys. Wala na ako ka-vlog sa lunch kay na busy. So we're going to there.
I want to show you something first.
Okay, what is it?
The frog.
Huh?
We don't know if it's dead or not.
Frog? Will you carry properly the bread?
You see the frog?
Uh-huh. Yeah, maybe it's just resting. Come on.
It's like a dead.
Okay, go.
Mommy,
Faster, cause it's hot. Hey, you hold it properly, not like that.
stand.
Teach her how to hold it. Okay, go. Oh, asa naman tong mga kids?
They're on that side.
Where? Oh, come on.
There. It's hard.
Come on, go, Zia. Okay, go. There's bread. Okay, go, go.
Pan.
Okay, go, Zia. Kids, come on. Alimol.
Punit.
Zian, hold it.
I want to climb the same way.
Dali mo linya na mo. Dito na mo. Dali.
Bread. Punit. Pan. Ay, pan. Ali. Ay, mo kaulaw.
Ay mo kaulaw.
Thank you.
Sabi mo taan ka.
Kuha doon. Doon ba?
Saka, udit, suriday. Posta dito sa Amerika, kaya ba't kita nag-1 million? Oh, siya niya libro mo.
Pwede ba nahuy pan lang? Just give it to them. Ellie!
Mal, video ka. Muna ning area. Muna ang basketballan pa. Ana, sitio. Man, so good ang yuta.
Touching the shy point.
Dire? Dire nga tabok?
It's not like it's your first time saying it.
Kutob. Pila po naka meter.
Pila na ka. Ko naman gud na baligyaran ni kang sir.
Kanido mala. Nay aghanan ko. Ang dako pud na. Asa kutob.
I wish I could just ride a bike instead of walking. Where?
On our way to the goats. Wants to see the goat. Oh, look, oh, there's a kid.
Can we touch them?
Don't scare them, okay?
Yeah, but we can touch them.
No, just don't get it. Don't scare them.
They're calling. She's calling them.
La la la. Uy.
Ana na lang ko diha kay mo.
Lala. Hal, hal. Lala.
Where are they going?
What?
Hold the rope, come here.
Daddy, Mommy, the goat was peeing.
Yeah. Wait. Wait, man, wait. Ayaw, man, nahadlok mo naman.
They're coming out of the trees.
Buntis ni tanan sir ba?
Wow.
Ano sir, buntis po ni sir. Apito po ni mga anak sir.
Wow, that's nice.
Wait, kaya mag-video ko.
Hold it, can you hold it, Isha? Come here, Westin, closer to me. Because mommy will hold it. Zian, can you hold this one? Don't be scared.
They're not scary creatures. Uy, nangihi man.
It's going to rain.
It's about to
It's
rain.
raining, guys. Are you ready to run?
Wala ka, ulan na.
I know.
Oy, noy.
Okay.
Okay, go back, cause it's raining.
Ladybug.
Yeah, it's a ladybug, Elio. Tiny. Okay, go back na. It's raining. Bye-bye.